Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually play the LEGO Fortnite game mode. Now it's very easy. All you have to do is go and open up the Epic Games launcher, and once you're here simply go down to the LEGO Fortnite page or simply search in the store LEGO Fortnite. Now what this will do, it will open up the LEGO Fortnite extension, and here you can actually press get. And what this will do, it will load up the order, and as you can see it's a free purchase. Simply place the order, agree, and that should be it. Now here your purchase has been completed, and what you will do next is a view in a library, and right here you can press install, and it will install the LEGO Fortnite mode, and from there you can simply launch it from your Epic Games launcher. Now that's it. If you still get any questions, leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. Thank you for watching.